If you have been hearing about Tevau and wondering whether it's actually worth using in 2026, this video will give you a quick, no-nonsense breakdown. We will cover what Tevau is, its main features, pros and cons, pricing, and who is it best for. What is Tevau? Tevau is a digital platform designed to help users manage online payments and virtual cards more easily. It focuses on giving you a simple way to pay online, subscribe to services, and control your spending without relying heavily on traditional banking. Key features. First, virtual cards. Tevau lets you create virtual cards that you can use for online purchases. This adds an extra layer of security since you are not exposing your main card details. Second, spending control. You can track your transactions and manage limits, which helps avoid overspending. Third, fast setup. Creating an account and getting started is usually quick, with a simple verification process. Fourth, multi-use support. You can use Tevau for subscriptions, online shopping, and various digital payments. Pros. Easy to use, even for beginners. Virtual cards improve online security. Quick setup process, useful for managing subscriptions and recurring payments. Cons. As we all know, nothing is perfect, and it has some disadvantages. Availability may be limited depending on your country, some features might require verification, fees can apply depending on usage, customer support can be slow at times. Pricing. Tevau typically offers a free version with basic features, however, some services like advanced card options or higher limits may come with fees. It's important to check the latest pricing inside the app since it can change. Is Tevau safe? Tevau uses standard security measures like encryption to protect your data. The use of virtual cards also adds an extra layer of safety when paying online. Still, like any financial app, you should always use strong passwords and enable all available security features like two-factor authentication. Who should use Tevau? Tevau is a good option if you shop online frequently, if you want better control over subscriptions, if you prefer using virtual cards instead of your main bank card. It may not be ideal if you need a full traditional banking solution with advanced services. Final verdict. Overall, Tevau is a solid option for simple online payments and virtual card usage in 2026. It is not perfect, but it does what it's designed for, making online spending easier and safer. And that is it for today's review. If you found it helpful and useful, please do not forget to support us with likes, consider the subscribe, turn on the bell icon to get all the new videos, and tell me down below in the comments if you have tried Tevau and how was your experience. Share this video to your friend. Thank you for watching and see you in a new comparison or review video.